And believe me, Kevin, the only problem you're gonna have is that you didn't buy more.
Welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. I'm a trading enthusiast and love to simplify trading. To get started, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. What's up, everybody? Back to the channel. We're going to talk about penny stock SIRC, Solar Integrated Roofing Corp. And this is one of those stocks that used to be worth less than 3 cents, 2 cents, went all the way up to 2.8. And this is just a 5-year chart. Now, zooming back out, I want to bring this company up because I think we're starting to finally have a buying opportunity. And if you look at the 200 EMA, so I'm on the 6-month chart, we're looking at the EMA right now. You can either call it the EMA, the SMA, basically the same thing. Long story short, it's trading above this purple line, and this is showing strength. And I'm looking at to make an entry in SIRC right now, SIRC. And just going over it before we just say buy. What is SIRC? SIRC is a solar energy company. They are basically an EV/solar battery company. And they're claiming that they're going to have demand and that it's going to explode in the next coming years. They talk about 30 GW increase per year up to 2025. And they're talking about that this company is going to be super busy and it's going to grow into 2035 and even more in 2050. So when you think about solar energy, it's always trying to make a move. You're always trying to find which penny stock that you could play that could potentially be the next Amazon and blow up. Now, I think SIRC is a potential buy here because I'm looking at the chart here. And the low that we have here is a support level around the 35-cent area. Now, that's really where I want to pick it up. But that would, again, be trading below the EMA and showing weakness. So I'm going to be looking to be a buy if we can maintain these levels, maintain this 50 cent, stay above the EMA line, and then try to get an entry. I'm going to bring up the 1 month now so we can get an even closer up target here. And let's just see if we get the actual 5-day. So 5-day, it's been hanging around that 55 cents to 50 range. So we'll see where it goes. But as you can see, it's kind of been consolidating, and it tested the 49 cents and then popped right back up. So it's definitely something we're looking into. I want to bring up just a quick article. They talk about, this is an article on Fidelity where it shows innovations in alternative energy create unique solutions. So companies like SIRC and SPI, ASTI, I like SIRC the most because, you know, they actually have numbers published, and basically the big push is solar energy, EV, you know, just moving in the future, electric vehicles, moving into that kind of solar energy panel. Something to look into. I wanted to bring up this penny stock. I feel like it's worth mentioning. And just to highlight some of the things, they're talking about how there's a strong demand for alternative renewable green energy. And, you know, it's never too bad to play one of those stocks that you think could potentially, you know, blow up. So I just want to see, they have another thing here in SIRC right here. And it's announcing on September 22nd, it formed a partnership with Storm Ventures. And long story short, that is just, the CEO of Solar is talking about how, I mean, everybody says this, the CEO is supposed to say that it's supposed to be booming, but it could be potentially true. I mean, some of these stocks do get out of the weeds. I mean, this used to be worth 2-3 cents. It's up to 50 cents now. I mean, if you were playing those pennies in the beginning, they have a monster amount of shares for such little dollars. And it's still at that price where it still could be a potential buy. I just want to bring up the support level for it. So if you were going to buy this in the 50 cent range, where you should definitely cut your losses is going to be in the, that's not it, it's going to be the 36 cent range when I was looking at it before. This is the support level right here. And it's going to be at the 33 to 34 cent level. That is the support level. So if you were to buy up here, I would strongly recommend cutting your losses around 35 cents. That's where I would be looking to cut my loss if I make an entry around this price. And I just want to be clear to all the subscribers and everybody, this is not something that you want to put like your entire investment in. You're talking like 2 to 5% of your portfolio, nothing crazy. You know, Pennyland can pay really well, but you can also just lose everything. So as many times you see those huge winners, there can be losers. So, and there's a high probability of it because it's a penny stock for a reason. But I want to bring up SIRC. This is definitely something that I'll be looking at and I'll be watching, and I want to add it to the penny stock playlist. You can check out my content. I have the $100 account challenge. I have the penny stocks. I have just regular investing, long-term investing. Just check it all out. It's all under there, under the playlist that I created. But I want to bring up this penny stock just for the weekend, just to think about for Monday.